Hi everyone, I want to show you guys a quick tech tip. This is mostly for my realtor friends. So you know how we were constantly sending a text to ask for showings? I'm going to show you how you can do it in 4 letters. My trick is SAPT, and that's going to get me the starting sentence for showing home. Then I plug in the address and time. Okay, let's talk about how you set up text replacement. You're going to go to your settings. You can either do a search for it or you can go down to general. You can go down to keyboard and then text replacement. Then you're going to use the plus sign to add. And then you're going to want to add your signature. And then I'll use SIG and then you'll save that. And then what you want to do is when you want to have a phrase, like let's say you want to set up a showing, you're going to say hello, may I please show? And then you're going to go ahead and put a space for the address and then a space for the time. And then you can use a shortcut within a shortcut. So there's my signature again, and then I'm using SAPT as a shortcut. And then you're going to just hit save.